This is HP OfficeJet Pro 7740. So now we have error. I don't know what this error. It says 3 to M. Okay, so we will check the configuration because they said they have problem with this printer. I will just have to print the go to report, print status page. So we will see. Okay, it's normal. It's fine. Let me check from here. Scanner. Copy. Only one. Oh. Copy. So this is the problem. So restart the printer. Damage and cannot scan. So I don't know. We will check. It's fine. I don't know what happened here. Let's find out. Let me open this scanner. Make some vacuum. problem is I didn't do anything. I just make vacuum and that's it. Clean the surface inside. It's working fine. Okay, so the error is fixed. All I had, what I did is I only cleaned the inside, vacuum, and also here, because before it was too much dust and some foreign object here. So when the paper goes here, it will affected by the scan will be affected. Okay, so now it's normal. Let me verify. Let's send a test page. So the error of the scanner is gone and the printer is working properly. Let me compare. You see, it's normal, perfectly fine, and the error is gone.